Removing and replacing the winder mechanism on a CF20 magazine. First thing you need to do is remove the side door. Do the lock. Pull the winder out. And then remove the 4 side fixing screws. Once the 4 screws have been loosened, you can lift away the side. You want to feed the spring mechanism through, place the side. At this point, try and keep both the roller door and the latch mechanism in place. It makes changing much easier. You can lift out and remove the winder assembly. Here you have the winder, the cable, the spring and the follower all as one complete assembly. To reinsert, we need to pull the spring down slightly away from the winder and drop the winder back into its pocket. Allow the spring to sit up against the 2 little legs here. Don't let the spring get trapped between the winder and the legs. At this point, easier to feed the winder back through and leave that hanging outside. Keep your finger over the winder to stop it lifting up. Place the shell. Hold it firmly in place at the top and do the top one first. Before you tighten, just pull down again on the spring to make sure that it's not trapped at the top. Top. 3 at the bottom. Check that the door's free, the roller door is free to move. When you're inserting the follower, very important that the flat is towards the rear of the magazine. So the flat on the follower has to go towards the rear of the magazine. Make sure that the wings on the side are sitting in the slots, in the tracks, in the actual shells. Slide that up, pull the door, lock the door open, allow the follower to pop up, making sure that it's nice and square. Fold the spring down into the trough. Give it a couple of winds just to shorten up the cable, allow the spring to sit down in the trough. Side can then be replaced. And you just want to check everything's working correctly. Push the follower back in. Ensure the door's still open. Wind it up. Make sure the follower goes all the way to the top. Then keep your hand over the top. Release the door. Make sure the follower comes through. And that is the winder and follower assembly changed on CF20 mag.